What are you laughing at?
What are you laughing at?
Yeah.
Laughing for free.
I think it's offended me, you know.
Better back off.
Your hat looks like slightly...
I am the lion. I am the lion.
Welcome to Logan Paul's vlog. Smile for the camera, boys.
I'm still not good at all.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna break your wrist. Watch us, people. I think I you died. I got good as well, man. Hang on, who is that just talking on our channel?
Change channel.
Change channel.
Don't appreciate being molested by him.
Yeah, there you go, the change now.
How dare you?
Shit, it's stuck. Sorry, Jamie.
They're
They're
on the same channel.
on the same channel. Oh, for God's sake. Swap to channel 5 or something. What do you mean? Dick Cheney made money off the Iraq War. Gotta tell you something. Dick Cheney made money off the Iraq War.
So you something.
Fuck off.
There's a war on.
Oh, a more.
You know what, I took that because he's intimidating us.
You're intimidating him, man.
What am I doing? I'm not doing anything.
I'll rip your polos off, I swear.
Leave me polos alone.
A punch like this is a hit.
No,
They actually play.
no.
That'd be amazing.
I should write polo on them.
Jamie's hit. Right, Jamie, cut us. Right, if you medics. Get Jamie.
Stand up.
Shit, get down. I'm hit.
Get a lot of XP after this.
No, no XP, I'm gonna get up this, give it.